A drone that hasn't been announced is already the most talked about camera in the sky right now, and that alone should tell you something. DJI just dropped the Mini 5 Pro not long ago, yet leaks about its successor are spreading faster than most companies even plan their next product. Today, we're digging into what's actually leaking about the Mini 6 Pro, what's realistic, what's pure wish list fantasy, and why this tiny drone is suddenly stirring up a debate way bigger than its weight class. Stick around because the pricing rumor alone might change how you think about what budget drone even means anymore. Here's the thing about the Mini series. It was never supposed to be the flagship. It was the lightweight, sub-249-gram option for people who didn't want the hassle of registration or the bulk of a bigger rig. But the Mini 5 Pro blurred that line hard, packing in features that used to be reserved for DJI's Pro lineup. So naturally, the community didn't just move on. They started asking how far this thing can actually go before it stops being a Mini at all. That tension is exactly why every Mini 6 Pro rumor is getting picked apart like it's classified intel. Let's talk cameras because this is where the leaks get spicy. The big rumor floating around is a refined 1-inch stacked sensor, which would be a genuine jump for low light shooting, something the Mini line has always struggled with a little. On resolution, forget the 8K chatter, that's mostly noise. What's actually being whispered is something closer to 6K, not for the marketing number, but so footage can be downsampled into crisp, clean 4K. There's also talk of dual camera setups sneaking in, a wider lens paired with something more cinematic. Though squeezing that into a featherweight body without breaking weight limits is a real engineering puzzle DJI hasn't solved yet.
Spec sheets get the spotlight, but the quieter upgrades might matter more day to day. Leakers are pointing to smarter subject tracking, a possible bump in transmission stability, and obstacle sensing that could finally catch up to bigger DJI drones. Battery life is another hot topic. Current flight times are solid, but creators want more headroom before a forced landing ruins a shoot. And here's a detail people don't expect. Several users have flagged that recent Mini models got noticeably louder, which sounds minor until you're trying to film something quiet and your drone sounds like an angry bee overhead. Now for the part that's gonna sting a little. Industry chatter and supply chain leaks are pointing toward a base price creeping toward the $999 to $1,099 range, with Fly More combos potentially pushing past $1,600. That's a big jump from what the Mini line used to represent, and it raises a fair question. At what point does Mini stop meaning affordable? As for timing, don't expect this thing tomorrow. Most signs point to a late 2026 or early 2027 launch, following DJI's usual rhythm of giving a product time to breathe before replacing it. There's also a wild card nobody saw coming. DJI's regulatory situation in the US has gotten messy, and that could genuinely affect whether or when this drone shows up on American shelves at all. So, is the Mini 6 Pro shaping up to be a leap or just a polish job on something already great? Honestly, it might be both, depending on what you're hoping for. What feature would actually make you upgrade? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious what's non-negotiable for you. If this kept you in the loop, smash that like, subscribe for the next leak breakdown, and I'll catch you in the next one.